You own a GMC Terrain or a Chevy Equinox and you change your own oil, or maybe you went and had your oil changed somewhere and they didn't reset the oil life indicator. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to reset your oil life indicator on your GMC Terrain and Chevy Equinox. Alright, so how to reset your oil life on your GMC Terrain or Chevy Equinox. If you come over here to your center console, let me zoom out here, you'll have that menu button right there. So if you just hit this once, if you come back over to your dash, you see how it changed the units and options. So over here you have an up and a down. It doesn't matter which one you hit. You can just hit the down button once. You'll see tire pressures. You hit it one more time and it says remaining oil life. Now mine shows 25%. Now I just changed the oil, or let's say you went and had it done somewhere and they didn't know how to clear it. You see this set clear button? You're going to hold that in and then it's going to say, are you sure that you want to reset? You're going to have to use the up arrow to click yes and then hit the set clear button again. And now you see how the remaining oil life just went to 100%? That's how you reset it. Now once you have that reset to 100%, that's going to remain on your dash. You need to come back over here to menu, hit that once, and now come back over to your dash. And now I have mine set to speed, but it's going to bring you back to the home screen. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.